here with Eugene's Honda S2000. This is the AP 1.5. So it has the AP1 engine that revs up to 9,000 RPM, but have the S2000 AP2 interior bits. Very, very cool. I've only seen this photo of this car online, but finally get to see it in person. Beautiful wheel and spoon caliper setup. Hood setup as well, very, very nice.
That is hood.
That's a Mugen hood?
Mugen hood, yeah.
Wow, this is very cool. This in titanium, bunch of ERC goodies. ERC radiator plate. So very beautiful car. Thank you for Eugene for showing the S2000 for us. We'll go grab some drinks. Yeah, let's go grab some drinks. It's hot. Key with a view of the car. Eugene was sharing that on the S2000 we have the ARC intake setup and the exhaust is a Muse setup, which is one of the best sounding exhausts you can get for the S2000. Like a little kid. God. Love this exhaust setup. Alright, just made it back home. All in all, I want to say a huge thank you to Eugene for taking me around, showing me his shop, all the cool rare JDM discontinued parts, as well as taking for a little short ride along in this S2000. So definitely a great time. Being a car guy, I really appreciate when I go to a different country and get to experience part of the local car scene. So hope you guys like it. Some car content for you guys while I'm here traveling in Malaysia. If you guys are new, make sure to hit the subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.